All right, let's see what we got on this one.
Just the man I want to see.
How you doing?
Well, it'd be nice to be warm in here. This is what my son did last night. We replaced a thermostat, and it will not shut off. And the nearest he can find out on the internet, it might be that.
Okay.
But he don't know.
Okay.
You know, well, it was a toss-up.
Right.
Because it will work. If I turn the heat on the thermostat, it will light and it'll run, but it doesn't shut off.
So the fan stays on, right?
Well,
it's off now. Do you have it turned on?
I got it. No, I haven't got it turned on. You want me to turn it on?
Okay, let's see what you have there. Well, let me kind of peek in here first.
Okay.
But it does heat, though.
It does heat.
Okay. All right.
But it won't shut off.
Okay. Is this on or off? Did you touch that? Okay.
Okay. The thermostat's in here. I didn't even monkey with it this morning to turn it on. There's the thermostat. And all we have to do is...
hold on a second. Let me kind of peek in here.
Sure, absolutely. Be sure it was all wired up like it should be.
Well.
But we'll let you take a look and
I just want to peek. And
yep, that's fine. He's usually pretty good at stuff like this, and he says it just got me baffled. I don't know. According to the directions, he thinks it was right. But then again, you never know.
Yeah. Just want to peek before I start here.
Sure. I had a thermostat on here that was programmed.
Okay.
And what it was doing was it changed time all the time.
Right.
And we tried to correct it. And why it did it, I don't know. But it could say like 78 on one side and...
He's got this wire in the wrong spot.
Is he?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so we'll take that.
Okay. Because he read the directions and couldn't.
It's kind of confusing.
Yeah, they are. I hope that's all it is.
So were you having problems with the other thermostat? It was just changing time?
It was changing time, and it would, like this on the, it would like have 78 on this side, and you only wanted it at 72. Well, you couldn't get that 78 off until it decided it wanted to take it off.
Right. It had a mind of its own, huh?
Yep. And so we got a new thermostat. And I told him I didn't want a programmable one.
Well, you're home all the time. You don't need to program it.
So I said, I want something that's just nice, simple, easy to
Well,
use.
you got it. Can't get any simpler than this.
I hope that's all it is. Mia, get out of the way. You get stepped on. You better go back to bed.
Oh, shoot. I just lost a screw. I just dropped the screw down here.
Did you lose a screw behind it? Can you get to it?
Hold on. Let me see. Where'd it go? I'm going to have to move this out.
Okay.
Here.
You ready? It's on wheels. It does slide out.
Okay. There we go. Let's slide it back in.
There we go.
Oh.
hope that's all it is. Because the directions were crazy on this thing.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? It's running.
Whoa, kitty cat. Okay, it wants to start up, so. Do you have another filter?
No, I don't. He looked at them and he said they were all right yet.
They're kind of...
It's reaching the point where I'm going to have to get some more.
Yeah, I do have a filter on the truck. Yeah, you're going to need filters. Or a filter. Let me just... I want to look at a few things here before
Okay.
I get this sensor cleaned up, get your filter. You okay?
I hope so. I got sinus and they drain on me.
Oh gosh. Sucker does not want to come out of there. There we go. Oh. Okay, let me grab a filter.
Okay. Shutting it off and see what it does. Okay. Flame shut off. Reducer shut off. Well, anytime customer says I replace the thermostat or someone replace the thermostat, that's the first place you look. As soon as he said, oh, I replaced the thermostat, I went there and it was miswired. It was on B terminal. I don't know. The W terminal was lower and it could have got confusing, so yeah, just wire in the wrong spot, had to change the filter, clean the flame sensor. Check that before anything. Just make sure you got everything wired right. I think she was
legitimately having problems with their old thermostat, so that's why they replaced it, which is logical. It's not doing what it should. So just keep that in the back of your mind. If they say, hey, I replaced the thermostat, run over there and check it really quick. Also, you know, some of these Sensi thermostats and Nest thermostats and Ecobees, check settings. Usually the settings on the Ecobees and the Sensis and the Nest, they're all off if customer installed. Usually they don't have the parameters put in right, or they have it set up. I know Sensi's come set up as electric furnace and like 2-stage electric furnace and 2-stage cooling for some reason. I don't know. That's how they come set up from the factory. So you have to switch them to where you have to switch them. So keep that in mind. You know, just when the customer says, "Hey, I installed the thermostat," first place you look. So that was a quick, easy call. That was basically start to finish. And you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.